Now we're going to have awards. There's been many different varieties. We've got folks getting awards from 1 to 11 badges. Now the one getting 11, she went to resident camp, plus day camp, and then of course the ones that we worked on was in the crew. And the ones that they earned at day camp last year, if they went to resident camp, they also re-earned those, so some of them did. And there is 5 badges that is back ordered, and council will be sending them out to them. So as soon as I get them, I will get them figured out. Also in the packet will be a guardrail with a yellow back. Right now you got the green back. That's from your Browning years. The yellow back is for your first year of junior. We survived it. Some days I wonder. Now, they are a great bunch. I can't believe it because I can't believe them. So, I've got them in packets for you to, keep them in that, I suggest. It's up to you, but that way you won't lose any. First, we'd like to have Shannon come up. This is Shannon's first year. And she had not received her Girl Scout pin yet because we had not been able to have our award tonight. I'm going to present you with your Girl Scout pin, but it's going to be upside down. And when you've done a good deed, you get it turned over. Now you're lucky. Normally we have one more meeting after an award. This time we don't, so you've got all summer to prepare to get that good deed, because when you come back next fall, that's going to be turned over. Parents, the dabblers in the book, each section has a dabbler, and that takes and gives them a little sample of everything of the badges that they can work in that group. So it's really a good dabbler to get, because it kind of tells them, do they really want to do that section? So, thank you. I was being told they did the handshake backwards. You put the Girl Scout sign and you shake hands. So, what way is it? She is. Yeah, her daughter. Okay, next we have Melissa Fowler. I tell you, 2 Melissas and 1 Melissa. I don't think the girls know anymore who I mean. Melissa also is new this year. So she gets her pin upside down. And when you've done your deed, you may have it turned over. And thank you. I got a little confused with Tina because she had to drop out for a little while, but she came back. I'm just going to put it over top of her. And for now, that is her phone, okay? And it's upside down, and when you get it again, then you get it. And she has earned the Looking Your Best badge. Lacey has earned her Look in Your Bath and World of Wellbeing Gambler. Okay. All right. Thank you, Lacey. Melissa, I didn't announce she had gotten Look in Your Bath and World of Wellbeing Gambler. Okay. Melissa Lewis. Melissa is new to our troop this year, but she is getting Girl Scout, and she has earned the Look in Your Bath Award. Come over here. I don't like that problem. Trisha's earned the Look in Your Bath, the World of Wellbeing Dabbler, the World of Outdoors Dabbler, the Foot Traveler, Outdoor Cook, Outdoor Fun, and Water Fun. 5 of these was earned at day camp, and the other 2 from the troop. Alyssa. Alyssa has earned the Look in Your Bath and World of Wellbeing Dabbler. You are. We're both going to check out, find out who's right about the handshake. Melody. Melody has earned the Look in Your Bath, the World of Wellbeing Dabbler, the World of Outdoor Dabbler, Foot Traveler, Outdoor Cook, Outdoor Fun, and Water Fun. Tracy. Tracy has earned the Look in Your Bath, the World of Wellbeing Dabbler, First Aid, Group Sport, World of Outdoor Dabbler, Boating, Foot Traveler, Outdoor Cook, Outdoor Fun, Swimming, and Water Fun. Congratulations, Tracy. Kristen. Kristen is new to our troop this year. Earned the Girl Scout. She will receive her Girl Scout pin upside down. And we got a good piece. And I might add it in a call what that good piece was. And she has also earned the Look in Your Bath. Congratulations. Kelly. Kelly has earned the Look in Your Bath, World of Wellbeing Dabbler, Outdoors Dabbler, Foot Traveler, Outdoor Cook, Outdoor Fun, and Water Fun. Kim last year got in just in time for the bridging last year, so she's been with us for a year now. So. She got the Look in Your Bath and World of Wellbeing Dabbler. Now, I don't know how long these cards are going to take. No, proof that I told you parents. The World of Wellbeing Dabbler was earned on that campus that we just went to last month. But there was one criteria that had to be finished, which I told the girls, and some of the girls said, well, my mom won't let me, or I can't do that. Some said they did do it. Well, I have given them that badge on their honor that they will do it. And mothers and fathers, what they got to do for 2 weeks, 2 weeks, have to take care of their own clothes. Pick up, learn how to wash, is that all possible? Learn how to do any mending. Whatever you want them to do for 2 weeks, parents, and they better do it because I've already given them those badges. I see Mom was happy about that. I was too. Oh, and then of course you'll fold and put away. Those definitely I know the girls can do. The picking up and fold and put away, but the others would really be good for them to do and to learn. one of them. I can't do it. Mom won't let me. See, I got you. Also, the girls picked out their fruit crest. They come down to two. It was either to be waterfalls or unicorn. Well, waterfalls won by a very small margin. But the problem is I can only get two girls. They are coming with the other badges. I've already paid for them. Chelsea's supposed to be sending them. But I went ahead and brought these two with me so you could see what they look like. And I did look at the unicorn, and it was just plain. It was just stitches. These are pretty. So you may take a look at these, and as soon as the others come, I will get them to you. Okay? And the badges that are owed is out of the door dabbler, and then one for Tracy, which was for Kristen. So the four that had went to day camp, that was one badge they had earned. Making you feel funny at 2 weeks. You guys want to do a song? What are the songs that you've learned? Come on up here.